Okay guys, welcome back to another video inside of YTA. You guys are getting so much value. Today we're going to be talking about how to triple any channel through translating your videos into multiple languages and creating multiple channels for a fraction of the cost of the first video. And guys, I can tell you this right now, the biggest channels in the world, this is what they're doing. So if you're implementing this, you're already doing something that most people when they're first starting out don't do, and you're already spending money on the video, so you might as well make the absolute most possible for what you're already spending.
Because guys, the most expensive part of the video is actually someone going through there and doing all this crazy stuff. And if you can translate it and do it for cheap, it's such an easy way to get a much better bang for your buck. All right, so how do you guys do it? So the first step is you choose which language you're gonna translate in. Super simple. Now again, some of the biggest Facebook YouTube channels have up to 10 different languages, and we recommend if you're just doing this, start with one different language and then maybe 2, then 3, and slowly grow from there. But
same thing with like another channel.
100%, exact same thing with another channel. But you're probably wondering like, what languages do I do? There's a gazillion languages out there, and what you do is you just go to the statistics. Which languages are there the most viewers on, right? So English is obviously #1, but then Spanish is the second biggest channels are Spanish is #2, then Portuguese. And if you look at like the top list of languages, you've got Brazil, Russia, Japan, India, United Kingdom, Germany, and you're just gonna go down the list and figure out, all right, which one has the most viewers? So I would do Spanish, and I would do Portuguese, and I would do Russian even, I would do Japanese, I would do French, I would do Spanish, like I would do, I said Spanish, but like I would just go through and start with the ones that are the most popular and go down from there. And the second step is you already have your video. You're gonna upload it to something called rev.com.
And by the way, Rev is awesome.
Yeah,
like,
Rev is awesome.
I've used this for my books in the past when I became an author. I trust them so much. I've used this stuff for viral videos. Like this really, really works. All you gotta do, go to rev.com. You take a video that you have, and by the way, you'll already have the video done because you have your channel obviously in English. And all you have to do is upload it into foreign subtitles, and they'll translate it into pretty much any language. There's a way where an actual person does it. There's also a way to have a robot do it. There's just so many different ways to have your video translated. And once you have it translated, you now have a script for your other language. And all you have to do is just hire someone to re-record the voiceover. You already have the editing done. You already have like the concept of the video. You already have the content. You already have the research. You have everything done. All you need to do, go into Rev, translate your video, take that script, and have someone re-record the voiceover.
And you just post an ad on Upwork, for example, say, hey, I need someone to record a voiceover in Spanish. That's it.
And if you have your other channel automated, you obviously already kind of know how to use Upwork and other stuff like that. And then step 4 is you just translate your title with Google Translate. That's it.
You literally go to Google Translate, type in your title, and it'll translate it for you.
Now guys, obviously for every channel, it's slightly different. Some of you guys, you may have channels where there's a lot of text in the video, so it might have to be slightly edited differently because you have English text that's inside the video. Some of you guys, you may have where there's text in your thumbnail, so you might need to change that into another language. For every single channel, it's slightly different. For every single niche, it's slightly different. But if you guys do switch over into multiple languages, it just expands how much more money you can make. And guys, these are the ninja stuff you're not gonna learn anywhere else, and anyone else that's talking about YouTube automation. This is the stuff that if you use, you can take the money you're already spending and make way more with it.